Alright, y'all, we got a higher flow coming to the engine, and we're finna see how this thing runs the even fire inline 4. Okay, this thing sounds good. You know, I'm actually about to try something else. Since this muffler is just like the body, like I can just take the cap off, and on the inside it's just that. I'm gonna put like some cotton or something in here, and we're gonna see if we can actually muffle the sound down, see if the exhaust works. But first, let's see how it sounds without anything on it. Alright, let's muffle this thing. Alright, so we added a little bit of cotton on the inside. I really need to make some baffles or something, because I feel like the cotton's gonna probably start trying to come out. See, it's already trying to. It's definitely quieter. Yeah, it's definitely quieter. Yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think. Hey, it runs more freely. Alright, we put like a disposable towel in there, almost like a paper towel. And let's see if it sounds quieter. Yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think.